Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library. Today we will be making a magnetic bumblebee. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find a clothespin, a roll of glue dots, a magnet, a black chenille stem, and a coffee filter. You'll also need some additional supplies, coloring materials and scissors, and adult supervision for working with magnets. So the first thing that we're going to do is color our clothespin. So let's move our other materials out of the way. I am going to make the bee yellow. Now I'll take my black marker and make a face. And now make the wings. You can leave the wings white, you can color them all yellow, you can put black. It's completely up to you. What we're going to do with the wings is kind of scrunch it down and put it in. So if you want to get a feel for what that will look like, those are going to be your wings. Anything you would like to do with the wings, you can do. The center won't be seen, so I'm going to use that as a guide to come out from here with whatever decoration I would like. Some lines, squiggly lines out from the center. And then I'm also going to do some black and see, how I like that. And now, if you wanted to make just little cuts in the wings, you could. So I will go ahead and show you how I did that. Just going to cut a little indent there. And I'm just going to round the wing a little bit on the edge. So not a big cut, just a little bit going in like that. All right, I'm going to put that aside for a minute and come back to my bee. Measure the length of your clothespin and the length of your chenille stem about right there. You're going to cut it off and be careful because these ends could be sharp. And then this is going to be the antenna, so fold it in half and then you're going to just make a couple of twists down, just spiral twist down to make your little antenna. The next thing, we're going to grab our glue dots. We can rip off a glue dot, and on your chenille stem, on the V part or the U part, you're just going to put some adhesive there, some glue dot there, and this is the face. We're going to stick it right behind the face. All right, so in order to make the stripes, if you'd like, you can use your black marker and just make stripes down your bee, or you can use the rest of your chenille stem and you can wrap it around. So I like to start here. You can have the clip hold on to the chenille stem and just start wrapping. This is ending here, and if I want, I can use a glue dot to secure the bottom. Just going to put it on the very end, press the chenille stem into the glue dot and release. There's where your glue dot is, so go ahead and just stick it on there. And now we are going to put our magnet on the back. Go ahead and take this part off, and this is sticky, but it's not that sticky. So go ahead and add some glue dots on the top and on the bottom, just to reinforce that stickiness. Ooh, there we go. And now turn your bee over, and right at the top on the head, you're just gonna put that magnet right there. And last but not least, we are going to fit our wings, kind of scrunch them up and fit our wings. Squeeze here, so that they go down there, and then fluff them any way you'd like. And there's your magnetic bee. And you can even use this as a clip to hold a picture or a note. There you have it. Remember to clean up, friends. Nice job. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your magnetic bumblebee. And I hope you'll join us for more DIY crafts and events here at the library. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.